Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be really awesome because I have something special from Samsung. If you guys know, I was in Delhi for the past few days attending a new smartphone launch event, and well, this is the new smartphone that has been launched by Samsung today. This is a new member in the Galaxy A series, the Galaxy A71. Well, this thing is a successor to the previous A70 as well as the A70s guys, and definitely comes with some really nice upgrades and features. Like there's a huge upgrade to the camera, there's a huge upgrade to the display as well as the performance. So we'll be talking about all that in this video. And in case if you're wondering why do I have two of these phones on my desk right now, well, the thing is Samsung gave two units, one for me and the other one for my dad. If you guys don't know, my dad also makes tech videos in Telugu language, so if you're interested, do check out his channel. Okay, we'll keep this one aside and let's get started with the video. So Samsung's new Galaxy A71 comes in this sort of box packaging, pretty similar box to the previous Galaxy A series phones. The model I have right now is the 8GB RAM plus 128GB model and comes in three different colors. The one I have is called the Prism Crushed Silver. Alright then, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me quickly grab my knife and cut this seal. Let's open it and check out the phone. Okay, here it is, our new phone at the top. And don't forget to check out this document box which comes hidden under this top cover. There's a SIM ejection tool over here. And in the box looks like we also got a free case. Let me take it out. You've got some paperwork over here, make sure to read them. And a free silicone transparent case. Alright, let's continue with the video. At the top of the box we've got our brand new Galaxy A71. Wow, this thing is big. It's got a big 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display. I'll tell you what that is later. And comes in this beautiful Prism Crushed Silver variant. Wow. Let's keep that aside and see what else do we have in the box. You get a special Samsung super fast charger guys. This is a 25-watt charger. So yes, the Galaxy A71 also supports fast charging. A USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. And also a free basic earphones in the box. They're wired earphones and come with a 3.5mm jack. So these were all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the phone. Let me just remove this outer packaging and take the phone out. So here it is, our new Galaxy A71. Wow, this thing looks beautiful in white color. It's got a rainbow like glow effect, whenever light falls on it. I don't know if you can see in the video. Let me just give you a closer look. There you go. Can you see those? Very nice. Looks like a premium phone when you hold it. And definitely it's quite big in the hand, but it's not that heavy also. Alright, let me give you an overview on the phone and show you all the buttons and give you a physical overview of the phone. So on the front side, the Galaxy A71 has a big 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus display guys. On the previous A71, it only had the Super AMOLED display, but on this one you've got the new Plus variant which is much more thinner. And along with that, if you can see at the top, there's an Infinity O notch and comes with a 32 megapixel primary camera. Awesome, right? There is nothing much on the front except a tiny earpiece at the top. The phone is also quite thin, it's very slim. And on the right side, you've got some buttons. There's a power button / Bixby button. Above that, there's a volume rocker. The quality of the buttons is nice, feel tactile and clicky. Going to the bottom, yes, it also has a headphone jack, so you can use wired earphones as well, a USB Type-C port for charging, a primary microphone, and a single down-firing speaker. Going to the left side, you've got a SIM card slot. This is a triple SIM card slot, guys, where you can, along with the SIM card, also insert a micro SD card and expand the storage up to 512GB. And at the top, you've just got a secondary noise cancellation microphone. And this is how the back of the phone looks like. It's got a beautiful finish, white prism crush finish, and looks very premium. The back is definitely made of polycarbonate just like all other Samsung phones. You've got the Samsung branding on the bottom side, and at the top you've got the camera setup. Now this phone comes with a new quad camera setup guys. The previous A70s only had a triple camera setup. The new thing is it's got a new 64 megapixel camera, primary camera, as well as a 5 megapixel macro. That is awesome, right? So this is a 64 megapixel camera, and I think this is a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. Beside that, you've got a 5 megapixel macro camera, and the last one is a depth sensing camera. It also has a tiny LED flash just beside that. So now what I'll do is I'll just power it on, go through the setup process, and after setting it up, I'll be right back to continue the video. In the meanwhile, let me tell you the specs of this phone. Samsung's new Galaxy A71 comes with a new 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with the Infinity O notch at the top. It's powered by Snapdragon 730 octa-core CPU, which is clocked at 2.2 GHz and is based on an 8nm process. Talking about the RAM, it comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage and is also expandable up to 512 GB using a microSD card. Now let me tell you about the cameras. The A71 comes with a brand new quad camera setup at the back. It's got a 64 megapixel primary camera with f1.8 aperture, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera and also a depth sensing camera. The phone can shoot in 4K video as well as offers 2x lossless zoom. It's got a new 32 megapixel selfie camera and is also capable of taking slow-mo selfie videos. Talking about the battery, it comes with a 4500 mAh battery and also supports 25 watts fast charging. So that's it, these are all the specs of this phone. Alright guys, I'm back to continue the video. So I've completely set up the phone as well as set up the fingerprint scanner. The phone comes with an on-screen fingerprint scanner. So let me quickly unlock the phone and show you how it performs. Okay. Not bad. So the fingerprint scanner was working well and was unlocking the phone almost all the time guys. And this is how our brand new Galaxy A71 looks like. Wow, this thing looks beautiful, right? The Super AMOLED Plus panel is awesome. This thing looks vibrant. The colors just pop out on the display. Very nice looking display from our first impressions. And the bezels on it are also quite thin. Just have a look at this. And here is the Infinity O notch at the top with a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So yeah, this is how the phone looks like. Let's just quickly go to the settings and check out the software info. Yes, the phone comes with Android 10 version out of the box and brand new One UI 2.0. So that was about the software info. Talking about the storage section, this is a 128 GB model guys, and out of the box you get around 104.7 GB of usable space, which is plenty of storage. So that was our quick look at the settings. The One UI feels pretty awesome. It's buttery smooth. All the app openings, animations, everything look pretty nice. So yeah, let's also quickly check out the camera app. Let me open this app. So there you go, as usual. You've got the similar UI, very nice. This is our new 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera mode. This is the regular one. Let's just quickly take a picture and check it out. Okay, that was fast. If you want to switch to the new 64 megapixel mode, you have to just click over here and select 4:3H, and that will activate 64 megapixel high resolution mode. Wow, the camera quality looks pretty nice from our first impressions. We'll have to talk about that later in the full review. I'll be shooting some nice pictures, and yes, this can also shoot video in 4K. So yeah, we'll be shooting some 4K videos. I'll show you all of that in my full review video. This is more just like an unboxing and first overview kind of video guys. Well, that's pretty much it guys. That was our unboxing and quick overview on the phone. So I'll be using this phone for a few days before I can make a full review on it. In case if you have any questions like how this phone performs in the gaming and all that, Snapdragon 730 performance, just leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to cover them in my full review. Apart from that, camera review will also be coming soon. So yeah guys, stay tuned to the channel because there's a lot of awesome content coming up soon. Well, that's pretty much it guys. That was our video for today. If you guys like the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in my next one.